Seit Menschen mit Messern arbeiten,
Ever since people started using knives for cooking, hunting, fishing and hobbies, knives have had to be sharpened. To make really blunt knives really sharp, there's the Vulkanus VG2 knife sharpener. The new generation, even more convenient, even faster, well tried as ever, in stainless steel and plastic. Right now we can show you how it works. Among the many hidden features of the new Vulkanus VG2 are these extremely precise, very hard grinding components. With no need for mechanical action or heating of the blade, the knife is now ground at the correct angle on both sides. We draw the knife through the knife sharpener, carefully between the two grinding components using just the weight of the knife, with the edge to be sharpened downwards, and draw the blade from below against the knife's own weight upwards. What's important here is to draw the blade from right at the back to the front and over the point, so that the point is also razor sharp. Now, after 3 or 4 passes, both sides have been ground sharp. How long the process takes depends on the quality of the knife. Now we've ground the knife really sharp at the correct angle on both sides. There's now a bit of a burr here. This needs to be removed and polished off. In the Vulkanus VG2, removal and polishing works like this. The point is upwards. Now the knife is drawn through 3 or 4 times and we get a cleaned and polished blade. After polishing, the knife is already really sharp. But if you want the knife razor sharp and you want it to stay sharp for a very long time, then it's important to polish the knife even more. For this, you pull the two grinding components completely apart, insert the knife, and then, just using the knife's own weight, draw it through from right at the back to the front a few times to polish it. That's how you get a razor-sharp knife, and you can see it too.